back here actually with my laser cakes, and today I'm going to show you how you could use a Sharpie or a regular permanent marker and how to erase it. Now you maybe now this all has to go through time. It has to be timed. So we're going to use the blue and take out the green, and we're going to put it on pink. So we just see, so like that, see it's there. Now we just get that and cover it. And that is wet. And it all came off. There's a little smudge there, but it really works. It's a really good hack if you're gonna be wanting to do arts and crafts, and you're using Sharpie, and then all of a sudden Sharpie gets on something, not paper, but let's say ceramic, the ceramic that's smoother, and a car, the type of paper that you could use for this is a cereal box, and yeah, that's what you use, and it's a really easy hack. Just use all you do is that you put a Sharpie there. You have to do this quick. Get the other Sharpie, put it over here, and then smudge it, and it's all gone. Sharpie dries up really easily, so the way that you have to now your fingers, it's permanent, so, but it'll come off of your fingers eventually. Permanent marker sticks to a lot of things, but human skin, it eventually wears off. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a big thumbs up, and remember to never give a thumbs down. And no thumbs down. Come on, just hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye, my loser.